Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is from the Linq Hotel in Las Vegas, room 5169. It's a room tour. As you come in, see they got some unique art in these rooms here, as well as this big mural on the wall that looked pretty cool. Now this is all your storage here. There's no other dresser. You got these cubby holes, you got an ice container, and then you got two drawers. You have a safe. Now this is odd for Las Vegas. You do get a refrigerator in your room. Now only certain towers of this hotel have refrigerators, so you gotta ask for that. You got an iron and a few hangers. This is a 2-queen bedroom. You got a little ledge here with a desk. You put your stuff on it with a chair in the corner. Now I'll show you the view later on of the day. Okay, now we're going to do the bathroom. Now the bathroom does not have a regular door. The bathroom only has a, it's like a pocket door. It slides on rollers, like a barn door. Shower was pretty nice. They do supply you with shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Counter was pretty nice size. You got a hair dryer, your normal towels, and you got a makeup mirror over there with soap and lotion on the wall. Now here's your view from the room. This is a pool view room. Nice little bar over there on the left. It did get pretty crowded during the day. There's the Linq zip line that you can get on. Now directly next to the Linq, you have this alleyway that takes you to the high roller, as well as the zip line that I talked about earlier. And there's lots of restaurants and different bars. There's a In-N-Out Burger right there. But a lot of stuff to do right down this alleyway. And they just added this Jimmy Kimmel Comedy Club. We went there when we were there. I do have another room tour coming out of the opposite side of the building with the high roller and the sphere view. Hope this video helps. Thanks, and please consider subscribing. Bye.